Welcome to Autobike Pro, where legends are reborn with modern firepower. Today, we're talking about one of Honda's most exciting throwbacks, the 2026 Honda S800 Turbo. Inspired by the original S800 from the 1960s, this new model blends retro style with sharp performance and modern tech, creating a compact sports car that's built for real drivers. Design: retro with a modern twist. From the outside, the 2026 S800 Turbo is a beautiful blend of old and new. It keeps the original's lightweight, open roadster spirit, but sharpens it with LED lighting, an aggressive front fascia, and sleek, aerodynamic lines. It's low to the ground, wide in stance, and unmistakably sporty. A short rear deck, flared fenders, and 17-inch alloys give it a punchy, classic racer look, perfect for enthusiasts who love cars with character. Interior: simple, sporty, focused. Inside, the S800 Turbo sticks to its roots. You won't find overstuffed luxury here. Instead, it's all about the driver. Minimalist design, tight-fitting bucket seats, a digital cluster, and a short throw gear lever bring back that raw connection. The materials are lightweight but high quality, and every control is where it should be. It's a cockpit made for people who love driving, not distracting screens. Performance: turbocharged fun. Under the hood, Honda gives us a compact 1.0L 3-cylinder turbocharged engine, producing around 145 to 160 horsepower. That might not sound like much, but in a car weighing under 900 kilograms, it's a rocket. Available with either a 6-speed manual or a dual-clutch automatic, the S800 Turbo offers pure, responsive handling. Rear-wheel drive, balanced weight distribution, and precise steering make every curve a joy. It's not about top speed, it's about feeling alive behind the wheel. Conclusion: the return of the purist car. In a world of big, heavy, high-tech vehicles, the 2026 Honda S800 Turbo is a refreshing blast from the past. It's small, fast, fun, and beautifully engineered for people who love to drive, not just commute. If you've been craving a true driver's car, one that values simplicity and soul over specs and screens, the new S800 might just be your perfect match. This is Autobike Pro, and we'll keep bringing you the world's most exciting machines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know, would you take the S800 Turbo over a Miata or GR86?